Hello friends, welcome back. Today's session we are going to do Hasselback potatoes. You all must have heard these are very popular Hasselback potatoes. The dish gets its name from Hasselback restaurant in Stockholm where it was first made and served. Originally actually it's a very simple baked potato dish with melted butter and herb seasoning. But over a period of time people have made some changes to suit their taste buds. They have added like cheese, breadcrumbs, garlic, so many other things, bacon bits. They add all kinds of things to it. But today let's make the original simple version of these baked potatoes. Let's make Hasselback potatoes. For Hasselback potatoes, we have taken 3 tablespoons of olive oil. You could also take melted butter. And 2 large potatoes, wash and scrub them very well. And 1 teaspoon of oregano. Salt to taste. And some red chili flakes. You could also use black pepper instead. Now place 2 chopsticks like this and the potato on them. This way we can easily slice it without reaching the bottom part. Now make slices carefully, keeping the bottom base intact so that the slices don't separate from each other. You can make thinner slices also, but I prefer this size. In this way, cut both the potatoes and immerse them in ice water. Chilled water opens them up actually. If you leave them for 3 to 4 hours, you will see they open up like fan. Now in a bowl, we are going to mix all the seasonings. Salt, chili flakes, oregano. In this place you can use any other herb also. Rosemary, parsley, whatever you want. Choice is yours. You can even add garlic flakes. Mix everything together. Now this is done. Wipe the potatoes after removing from the water. They haven't opened up much because I only soaked them for half an hour. Try keeping them for 3 to 4 hours and you will see the difference. Now spoon the mixture seasoning into the potato slices. Very carefully and gently open up the slice and spoon the mixture into it. Take care that the slices don't separate. Use up all the seasoning mixture and the remaining one can be brushed on top. Now here the potatoes are ready to be baked. Bake them at 200 degrees C for 45 to 50 minutes or until done. The larger ones may take 1 hour also. Towards the end you can sprinkle some cheese if you like. I have done it simple and basic. Here they are ready. Mine took 55 minutes. They are ready to be served. These make a great side dish with the grilled meats also. So give it a try friends with the seasonings of your choice. I'm sure you are going to love these Hasselback potatoes. You can even make the same with smaller potatoes also. That will take lesser time to bake. So friends, do let me know in the comment section if you made and enjoyed them. Do subscribe to the channel if you have not done so and click on the bell icon to get notifications. Check out these videos from the archives in case you have missed them earlier. We'll soon be back with a nice recipe again. Bye. Take care.